everyone, and welcome back to my channel for day 4 of the month of July challenge. Today we're diving into the world of red potatoes with their vibrant color and unique texture. Are a true delight for both the taste buds and the health conscious. These little guys are not only visually appealing, but also packed with essential nutrients. They are a fantastic source of vitamin C, an essential nutrient that boosts our immune system and promotes healthy skin. And if that's not enough, they are also rich in potassium, an important mineral that helps maintain proper blood pressure and supports healthy muscles and nerves. Plus, they are a great source of dietary fiber, which aids digestion and keeps us feeling full and satisfied. It's no wonder why red potatoes are a beloved staple in many diets around the world. So, let's explore some mouth-watering recipes that showcase the magic of red potatoes. One of the simplest and most delicious ways to prepare red potatoes is to roast them. Toss the cubed potatoes with olive oil, salt, and pepper, and then roast them in a preheated oven until golden and crispy. The result? A delightful combination of soft and fluffy inside and a crispy skin that will leave you wanting more. For a healthier twist, try baking the potatoes in the microwave. This method reduces the need for added fats and oils, allowing the natural flavors of the potatoes to shine through. And don't forget to top them with your favorite herbs and spices for an extra burst of flavor. And now it's time for a classic comfort food, mashed potatoes. Red potatoes are a fantastic choice for mashing because their high starch content gives you a fluffy and creamy consistency. Boil the potatoes until tender, then mash them with butter, milk, and salt to your desired consistency. You can also add a touch of cream cheese for extra richness and a hint of nutmeg for a warm, cozy flavor. The possibilities are endless. So there you have it, folks. Just a glimpse into the wonderful world of red potatoes. These nutritious and versatile gems are a true culinary delight, offering a host of health benefits and endless recipe possibilities. Whether you choose to roast, mash, grill, or fry them, red potatoes are sure to impress your taste buds and leave you feeling nourished and satisfied. So next time you're in the kitchen, don't hesitate to grab a bag of red potatoes and let your culinary creativity run wild.